For healthy hydration and thyroid health, you should eat sea moss. To support arthritis and reduce inflammation, take black seed oil. It also supports immune function. For stress, anxiety, and brain function, you gotta eat ashwagandha. For better digestion, to combat flu and cold, ginger is your best friend. For heart health and Alzheimer's, eat turmeric. It could also potentially protect you against cancer. To lower blood sugar levels and manage cholesterol levels, take apple cider vinegar. For liver health and skin health, eat burdock root. For sore throat, eat Manuka honey.